Okay, so PAC Closet Library, we're going to do a double-sided island. So this one we're looking at right now is a single-sided. I'm just going to go delete this regular end cap, delete this other one. Go into the panels, islands full boxes, 42 tall, 14 deep. All right, so this is kind of cool. So we have our regular end panel that we just deleted, and we have a double end panel, and it says end cap 1414. That means you're putting a 14 on the front and a 14 on the back. And these are still modular depth if you need to manipulate them. I wouldn't. I would just pull out what you need from the products. If, let's say, you have a 14 on the front and a 16 on the back, not a big deal. We should actually do that. So the front is 14, but in parameters, we have this other rear section depth. And the answer for this, we're in inches now, so let's go to notes. And this is our 16-inch equivalent here. I copy, go to parameters, I'll change this. And it extends the back out, so now we can put 16-inch sections back there. So I'm going to close up 14s, go into the 16s, and we need to have an end cap first. No, we don't. This is full boxes. So let's get rid of this end panel, or this back panel. Because it's a double-sided island, so we don't need a back panel anymore. Delete that. All right, cool. So now we can just bring in our boxes. Now, this is the back side, right? The bounding box of this double panel is right here. So the back side's always going to be a little weird, but I'll show you how to make it pretty easy. So let's bring in a 2-shelf, 2-drawer. Okay, so it always puts everything to the left. That's fine. I'll bump it over. And then you can see that it's overlapping this other panel. So to set that right, just go down to position and say 0.75. If you want to get technical, you can, but I think that's fine. And then now, everything else that I lay down in here, I'm just going to bump to the right. It'll fly right over for me. You could also have started with this cabinet here, or this end panel, and then done it like that. So, for instance, do this quick. Let's pretend we already changed this. Put that here. Okay, now that this panel's here, oh, actually I'm a liar, you can't do that. Because there's no bounding box here, so it's all good. Just bump it to the right. Put it in here. Bump it to the right. There you go. And now you can see everything lines up as well, which is fantastic. Now we have a double-sided island. I mean, basically just ready to manufacture as long as you're okay with it not having axolo legs. Watch the video on how to do job parms for the full box islands if you want to know how to bring your axolo legs on. Bring it out of wireframe hell. Okay, so now it's looking good. Ready to go. Oh, one thing you will notice is that our edges are not notched for these. That you're probably going to want to do. So in each of these, you can go into ends, say notch front toe, just to notch those. So that does not come in automatically. All right, that's it for this video. And now we're going to move on to single panels and sections.